guys, it's Tom here once again. I am pretty excited because tonight we're going to be making stuff with clams. Actually, we're going to be making stuffed clams. I'm a clam lover, if you didn't already know. I like steamed clams, I like fresh clams, I like clams on the half shell, I like fried clams, and stuffed clams. And these are so good and so easy to make. The hardest part of making a stuffed clam is where to get these clam shells. These shells came from the grocery store. I actually went to the frozen food section, bought a box of the crappy stuffed clams, scraped all the stuffing out, and then just saved the shells. So the first thing we want to do is get a cast iron skillet and get it really hot, like I have this right here. And to that, we're going to add, this is my favorite part, 6 slices of bacon. I'm going to put that bacon right in there like that. We're going to just kind of let that cook up. That's looking good, pretty good, huh? So now to that, I'm going to add like 3 stalks of celery, okay? And we're going to add a small onion. Okay. Now we're going to make the actual stuffing for the clams. So the first thing you want to do is you want to add 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers ground up in the food processor. So it's just like breadcrumbs. So to that, we're going to add our chopped clams. Now what I did is I bought 3 cans of chopped clams. They're about 6.5 ounces each. Okay. And I drained the liquid off them, but save the liquid because we're going to add that at the end. Okay, and then we're going to add 1 beaten egg, just like that. Now what you want to do is you want to take the strained clam juice that was from the chopped clams and just add a little bit at a time, probably about half. Going to add this to this, and you know what? I think I'm going to use a towel because it's a little warm, even for me. Okay, so we're going to put that in there a little bit. I don't know if you need it all. It looks like I made a little bit too much of this, so let's just kind of back that off a little bit, see where we're at. Okay, mix that all up. Okay, so now comes the fun part. We're actually going to stuff the shells. Let's take a scooper, just pop it in there just like that. And then just continue to fill those up one by one. I have some panko crumbs here. Then I have about like 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. I'm just going to kind of mix that in with the crumbs. Okay, give that a little bit of a stir. Then just like that. That's all you got to do. Just like that. Throw them in the oven, and while they're cooking, I'm going to go try to find some lemons because that just will make this complete, okay? Wow, I almost forgot I got a lemon tree right in my backyard. Get a little bit of a squeeze. Let's eat one of these and see how I did. Oh. Delicious.